Bounce back after their only loss of the year. Codrington to Ashante Worthy, and Worthy has the sideline. What a block! Worthy peels off the tackler, but the momentum sends him out of play, and
They lost the championship last year. He's locked in right now this season.
Codrington snaps, throws to the end zone, caught.
Touchdown.
BIC get the touchdown. That's Kason Campbell to make that touchdown in the window. Going for one from the 5. Worthy. Codrington tosses it to Trey Cohen, and Cohen gets it in there one more time.
I don't know why they're playing press coverage. Everybody needs to be backed up.
Tender on what could be the last play of the half. Kassim Perry makes the catch. They will not get the touchdown, but and a burning one timeout, 1st and 10. D's trouble coming. David.
This is David Tender's second year, the same way it was Terry Cognison's second year, and he won the championship.
Gets it to Kassim Perry. Kassim Perry gets to the 40, the 35, and he gets tripped up by the turf monster at the 30. A little Derek Jeter over the line toss from David Tender keeps it moving. 1st down, Silk City.
And we're seeing that here from him.
Watch Cohen, and there's the handoff, and coming through, H3 Frazier like a shot. Ryan, he must have heard you at halftime. Someone made him a mixtape of what you said set to ether, because he's the 3.
Watch the matchup between 21 and number 2.
Tender throws it, gets it to that matchup, tipped up, intercepted by Camp. That's number 11. Watch the ice cream truck here. 9:55 left to go. Codrington will keep it. Sterry Codrington will scream down the sideline, get around the first defender, and get.
So what that is.
That's Benny Jones, and on 3rd and 5, Codrington faces pressure, caught, but will he keep it? Worthy gets the 1st down at the 50.
Here, the block for David Tender is big.
And coming off the edge, and they get him.
And there's the pressure that wasn't there.
Ole Bell showing up on Campbell, and he gets the record. He's not out there now. But Ashante Worthy, and it looks like they'll have some help in the backfield. That's Trey Robinson, and Robinson met by multi-weapon player. Play action to throw, that's to Ashante Worthy. Worthy with a little bit of help from Wachter.
But now he clears it out. He empties out the backfield, and now he puts the ball in his hand.
2nd and 5, Codrington caught, wide open, Kason Campbell. His 8th reception in a game will be his 11th touchdown on the season. Kason Campbell will take his time and make his, unless they're calling the play.
He's trying to.
He's just running the clock down, but they'll call him down at the 1. It seems.
They had a guy come off the sideline onto the field.
And out at a7fl.tv. 3-on-1 return now for the Animals. Quani Morgan looks to get through the defenders. He does. Quani Morgan stays upright. Quani Morgan to the 40, and he is brought down. Another. The snap by Tender. Throws it. Caught, brought in, 1st down. But it sets up for the 25. Pressure, Tender steps up, steps out, intercepted, but a flag. H3 Frazier picks it off. We'll see what the call is. And the handoff. Tender keeps it. David Tender runs it, throws it to the end zone. Manny Diaz! For the receivers, but they send Trey Robinson out. Watch for Codrington maybe to run here. The snap. Pressure, the throw, that's caught by Campbell. Campbell has 1 record. Can he get 2? Can he get the 2nd one? And he will be brought down. He will be stopped at the 24, but
I'd be surprised if this isn't a run.
The snap, and it's a pass. Codrington gets hit as he throws, caught, and Campbell.
Hubbard, but I mean, you give up something like this, he barely even touches him. It's nothing to talk about. It's a touchdown.
With those beautiful family homes in the background.
Hasn't ran those type of sets all game.
3rd and 7. Tender throws. That's caught. That's picked up by Quani Morgan. Pardon me, Manny.
With the 2-minute warning, he has to score before 2 minutes.
Tender throws it off the hands. He makes the catch.
Wow,
he keeps the ball. Like the call is defensive holding. Watch this. Oh, what a catch by Omari Thomas.
That's his calling right there.
Play action again. Tender steps up, tosses it back to Quani Morgan. Morgan gets through the first layer of coverage. Quani Morgan juts to the sideline. Well, We'll see if the prognostication is correct. The throw, the end zone, open, caught, touchdown, Animal.
To get your mind right.
And here we see the extra point.
Excellent catch right there.
Well, at 20, it will be a turnover. They get to Worthy, gets past him. Ashante Worthy calls game. Ashante Worthy says, oh, you bring out the big dogs? The real big dog is here. Touchdown, BIC. Worthy as the sun sets in Asbury Park. The problem for the BIC.
This is important, though, right here, because if they don't get this, the Animals got a chance.
And Codrington will walk it on in and give them a 10-point lead, 43-53. With 92 seconds left to go, we will stay with you until this game.
You're back in the same situation.
The snap by Tender. Rolls out. In trouble. Throws it. Caught. Wide open. Here comes an opportunity to keep this game close. Kasim Perry gets it to the third. Is in on defense. The snap. Codrington giving pressure. Tender rolls out. David Tender will run. David Tender will get to the 30. The clock will stop at 1:03.
Yeah, I'm not.
Charged by the minute. In motion. Morgan. Tender waiting for an option. Ramadan will get him. Caught! Touchdown! Touchdown, Animals! That's Kasim. Stop them at the 20 or let them go. Tender will just run this one in, and they will make this a 3-point high arcing ball that is caught at the 10. They have to stop him at the 20.
Let them score. Just let them score.
And they let him cut down the sideline, and Ashante Worthy will get his third return touchdown of the game, and the Animals will have the rest of the game. Oh, no.